Hey friends, we're going to be relating fractions to area and working on fractions a little bit tonight. So remember, you can break a shape into parts with equal areas. The area of each part is a fraction of the area of the whole shape. And the number of equal parts is the denominator of the fraction. So the area of one part of a figure is always 1 because it's one part, right? One part. And however many parts is the denominator. So if a figure is broken into 3 equal parts, then the area of each part is 1/3 of the area of the whole figure. For example, a triangle is broken into 2 equal parts. Name the area of each part as a fraction of the area of the whole triangle. So first, we have to find the denominator of the fraction. The triangle is in 2 parts, so the denominator of the fraction is 2. We want to name the area of one part, so the numerator is going to be 1 because we're talking about one part. The key word is each right there. So name the area of each part as a fraction of the area of the whole triangle, and so it would be 1/2. Here's another example. Emilio has a paper hexagon. He cuts the hexagon into 6 equal parts. Describe the area of each part as a fraction of the area of the hexagon. So the area of each part of the hexagon, we know that there are 6 equal parts. And so they want to know the area of each part. So I'm going to underline that part. And we know that each part is worth 1. So the area of each part of the hexagon is 1/6 the area of the whole hexagon. Here's another example. Find 2 ways to divide a square into 4 equal parts. So one way to separate the square into 4 equal parts is to fold it in half lengthwise. Okay, so we have it broken off into 2, and then fold it again, and it's going to be small. When the figure is opened out, there are 4 equal parts. So you can try this even at home with a piece of paper, and then when after you unfold it, you'll see that there are 4 equal parts that look like this. And then you can even fold it back up again, cut little parts out of it, and make a snowflake tonight too. Another way that you can divide a square into 4 equal parts is diagonally. So we can do a diagonal fold, and then once it's folded like that, fold it again, and then unfold it, and you will have 2 big diagonal lines giving us 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So what fraction of the large square is the area of each part? So each part, remember that keyword is each, is going to be 1 as the numerator. Okay, and how many equal parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So even though these squares are cut or folded differently, they are the same area. They have 1/4 of it that we folded it into. We folded it into each part is 1/4. So even though it has different folds, it's still the same area because it's the same size square. So you can continue practicing folding paper at home and maybe make a couple snowflakes for some family members at home too. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll keep practicing tonight on Schoology, and then we will continue practicing in class tomorrow. Great job today, friends.